The Alchemist, Paulo Coelho, A Journey of Dreams, Destiny, and Self Discovery. Stay with us till the very end, because what you are about to discover will completely change the way you think about this topic. Most people miss this crucial information and end up making costly mistakes that they later regret. At its heart, The Alchemist is a timeless tale woven around the journey of Santiago, a young Andalusian shepherd who harbors dreams of discovering a hidden treasure located near the Egyptian pyramids. This quest, however, evolves into a much grander journey of self discovery, illustrating the pursuit of one's personal legend, the importance of listening to our hearts, and recognizing the interconnectedness of all beings. Santiago's life begins with a simple desire for adventure and wealth, but his path leads him to encounters with various characters who shape his journey. The narrative introduces us to Melchizedek, the mysterious king of Salem, who reveals to Santiago the concept of a personal legend and the magical power of truly believing in one's dreams. This sets Santiago on his way, and he leaves his familiar life with the sheep for a quest into the unknown. Along his journey, Santiago meets an Englishman obsessed with alchemy, a desert woman named Fatima who becomes the love of his life, and, most importantly, the wise alchemist himself. Each character represents different facets of wisdom and challenges that Santiago must learn from. The Englishman embodies the pursuit of knowledge, Fatima teaches about love and letting go, while the alchemist conveys the essential wisdom of listening to one's heart and understanding the soul of the world. One of the standout insights in The Alchemist is the idea that when you truly desire something, the entire universe conspires in helping you achieve it. This concept speaks to the power of intention and belief, encouraging readers to embrace their dreams with conviction and courage. The book also delves into the idea that the journey is more valuable than the destination, urging us to appreciate the lessons learned and experiences gained along the way. Another transformative insight is the notion of personal transformation. Santiago learns that change is a necessary part of fulfilling one's destiny. The alchemist helps him understand that self discovery and self improvement are ongoing processes, requiring one to be open to change, adapt, and grow through the lessons life presents. Perhaps the most memorable moment in the book occurs when Santiago stands at the foot of the pyramids and realizes that his treasure lies not in material wealth but in his journey itself and the wisdom he has acquired. This realization reflects the book's core message that true fulfillment comes from self discovery and inner enlightenment rather than external achievements. Paulo Coelho, the author of The Alchemist, hails from Brazil and has a rich background in writing and spirituality. Coelho's own life experiences of pursuing his dreams against societal expectations heavily influence his storytelling. His work often explores themes of destiny, spirituality, and the quest for personal meaning, resonating with millions worldwide. The book has maintained its relevance and appeal across generations due to its universal themes of dreams, self discovery, and personal growth, resonating even more profoundly in an era where individuals seek purpose amidst daily chaos and uncertain futures. In a world increasingly focused on external success, The Alchemist serves as a gentle reminder of the importance of inner journeys, the beauty of listening to our hearts, and the power of dreams. As a takeaway, the book encourages listeners to reflect on their own lives, urging them to identify their personal legend, embrace the beauty of their unique journey, and have faith in the universe to guide them toward their true purpose. Pursuing what truly matters in our hearts can lead us to a richer, more meaningful existence. Thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe for daily update. Turn on notifications to never miss a video. Comment your favorite phrase below and watch the next video for more tips.